You just hold it out there like that.
Oh, this part goes in on.
Yeah, that goes in the bucket.
Goes in the bucket
Of the backhoe.
of a backhoe. Somehow, I still don't know.
16-inch. I've got it. Well, it's called an 18-inch.
18-inch. Yep, crazy invention. Crazy old man.
Don't want to dig post holes.
Don't want to dig post holes by hand, so he's making this for his backhoe. He has a post hole digger, but it's not big enough for. We got free telephone poles, and they're too big to. They're like whatever, a foot in diameter almost, or
almost 12 inch.
Yeah. So you got this thing, and you're gonna mount that into the auger somehow.
Yep, that's the auger.
This centers everything somehow, I bet.
Yep.
I still don't fully understand it, but no. What's the ratio on the gearbox?
40 to 1.
40 to 1 gearbox.
Then 2 to 1 on the chain sprocket.
2 to 1 on the chain sprocket. This
Should make the RPMs about 90 RPM.
What's this? A 40? No. What size the chain length?
That's number 50.
Number 50, 40. That's close for not knowing. For it being so long.
That may be the weak link.
The weak links, the chain. I guess I'll see if this
I
thing.
break something, I ought to break the chain.
Comment, subscribe, like my video. Do you think this thing will work? Single phase.
3,400 RPM. Half horse, reversible.
Oh, half horse. 3,500, 3,400. I don't know how many. Oh, shoot. And it's got music in the background. So talk over it.